Okay, so now there are different okay, systems of measurement of angle. Okay, so basically degree measure. Okay, so first thing is what? Degree measure. Okay, first thing is what? Degree measure. And degree measure comes under sexagesimal system. Okay, so what is a degree measure? Okay, what is a degree measure? If we go with the definition, okay, so the angle traced by a moving line. Okay, the angle traced by a moving line, the angle traced by a moving line from its initial position, to the terminating position, by completing one revolution, then okay, 1 degree is nothing but equal to what? 1 by 3/60th part of that revolution. What is the meaning of this? Okay, let's try to understand the meaning of this. So let's say you have a line, you had an initial ray, you had an initial side, okay, and let's say you keep a pen in your notebook and you rotate it a complete revolution. Okay, so a ray will rotate, and again it will come back on top of it only, right? Yes or no? It will come back on top of it only, but it will complete an entire revolution, correct? The trace which it will pass, it will complete an entire revolution, yes or no? Okay, so it will complete an entire revolution. Let me try to draw if possible. So it will complete an entire revolution.
Yeah.
So it will make complete like this entire revolution. Okay, now 1 by 3/60th part of this entire revolution. Okay, if you divide this entire revolution into 360 equal parts, if you divide this entire revolution into 360 equal parts, okay, then 1 by 3/60th part. Okay, so let's say 1 by 3/60th part is this green color part. Okay, is this green color part? This is the 1 by 3/60th part. Okay, so this measurement will be nothing but what? 1 degree. If you measure this angle, okay, this angle, okay, this is nothing but what? 1 by 3/60th part of the revolution. Okay, so that is nothing but called as what? 1 degree. Okay, 1 degree. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Make a note. There is more to the degree measure. Okay, sexagesimal system. Okay, there is more to it. So first thing is what? That 1 by 3/60th part of revolution is 1 degree. Correct. Then there's a further division. Okay, if 1 degree, or you can say 1 by 60th part of 1 degree is nothing but what? 1 minute, and that is represented by this 1 dash. Okay, that is represented like this 1 dash on top of the, okay, so 2 minutes, 1 minutes, like that. And then further division. Okay, and then further division. Okay, 1 by 60th part of 1 minute will be equal to 1 second, and 1 second will be double dash like this. Okay, understood? Or any confusion over here? Okay, and other things we know, example, measurement of 180 degree. Okay, measurement of 180 degree is nothing but what? Called as straight angle. Okay, measurement of 90 degree, measurement of 90 degree is called as right angle. Okay. And measurement of 360 degree is complete angle. These are the basics which we already know is complete angle. Okay, so this is all about hexadecimal system of measurement of an angle. Okay, so by default as of now, so degree is nothing but what? SI unit of measurement of angle. Okay, SI unit of measurement of angle. ठीक है, in decimal system. Okay, ठीक है, so that is why SI unit. Okay, so that is why we mostly take degree, but that is not the standard unit. We also have radian, okay, as one of these standard units to measure the angle that we will study now. So do you have any doubt here?
No.
All right.